Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 250 different strategies, with 79 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 139 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,002 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says, new liquidity indicator gives perfect buy and sell signals. Now, as I say often, no indicator, no strategy is going to give perfect buy and sell signals. There's always going to be some losing trades. There's always going to be those imperfect signals, but we're going to put the strategy to the test nonetheless. And so we'll go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the trend finder with coefficient. This one right here. Add that to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings on this one. Under the look back, you're going to change that to 55, and everything else should stay the same. Just double check these settings are all the same as mine. Then the next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the easy entry exit trend colors with alerts. This one right here. Again, you'll add that to the screen. And again, we'll go ahead and jump into the settings on this one as well. And so the BB period right here, you're going to change that to 15. And the fast linked right here, you're going to change that to 14. Jump into the styles, and you're basically going to turn off everything in here on this upper portion here. So you can see that we turn off these here and the MACD settings there. Everything else should stay the same. Go ahead and click OK, and it should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for the blue arrow from the trend finder indicator. That blue arrow, once we get that, we're going to look down to the easy entry exit indicator. And we want both of these lines that are on the outer side of this cloud. We want both of these lines to be above this orange line right here, this 0 line. And then lastly, we want a green arrow to be present at the same time we get the blue arrow. Once those line up like that, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. Let's set our trade right about there. Close enough. We're going to put our stop just right below this last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And it takes a little bit, but we eventually make our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is going to be the red arrow from the trend finder indicator. And when we get that red arrow, we're then going to look down to the easy entry exit. We want that blue cloud, the lines to be below that 0 line at the orange line there. And lastly, we want the easy entry exit to have a red arrow as well as the red arrow from the trend finder. Once all those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right there, put our stop just right above this last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. And you can see that pretty easily make down there, getting us to our take profit. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades, putting it at a 28% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for a overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So definitely doesn't give the perfect buy and sell signals the source video claimed it did. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 46 trades altogether. We had 40 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,000 altogether. And on the losing side, you would have lost $4,680 for an overall gain of $19,320. Significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once a free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We keep track each week of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 4 trades altogether, 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade. A 50% win rate would have been a drawdown of $600. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 2 winning trades and 2 losing trades. Again, a 50% win rate, and again a drawdown of $600. For the week, we would have been down $1,200. Had the 21-week total, now we would have been up $37,360 over 178 trades. And you can see more stats on the strategy here, and you can see the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.